Jeez. Of course it's gonna start to rain as soon as I come out here. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a more relaxing plant chore day. I came out here to record this because it's a little noisy in there, but it's also noisy and rainy outside. I am going to be doing some plant chores today, and see, my lights are on my plant shelf still. It's pretty early in the morning. I haven't shut them off yet, but I'm going to be taking plants to the sink, giving them a water, checking some roots, reorganizing my shelves, cleaning them up. I know it might feel like I just did this not that long ago because I think I did a cleaning my shelves video a few videos ago, but it's actually been a couple months since I've done it. I've been neglecting my plants like crazy. So I'm gonna get on it today. It's Sunday, I have the day off, and we're gonna get to cleaning. So just come along with me. I also have a couple of things I wanna show you guys that came in the mail, and they came in late for me to film my Shop Small video, but since it's still like the beginning of December, you still have time to get these for people as gifts through Etsy. So I wanna show you, there's 2 companies that sent in some products that it didn't make it in that video that I want to show you. So stay tuned to the end of the video and we'll see those. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, I'm freezing. Hello? Light? There we go. I'm watching Silence of the Lambs. It's December. You can't get me out of Halloween season. You just can't. Start some plant chores. Okay, you need to focus. Okay, it's focusing. Okay, I don't know how this is going to work because I want you to see what I'm doing. Maybe I'll just aim it down at the sink. I don't know. I'm out of it today, you guys. So if I'm a little off, it's because I'm just tired. Wedding season is rolling down. I have one more wedding next weekend, and then I'm done. Okay, I have to put these dishes away. So you could do that with me too. Why not? much for joining me in today's little vloggy type video, plant chores. I don't know what I'm gonna call this video yet, and before I leave, I wanted to remind you guys, if you do like cooking channels, if you like watching cooking YouTube, be sure to go follow Nicole's Clean Kitchen on YouTube, because I do post one video every Saturday morning of me making a dish. But I'm really excited about that channel, so go check it out. Hey, shh, it's a doggy barking. All right guys, I'll see you in my next one. Bye.